Hello everyone, this is Retro PC User here. Today I got a CyberNet Elite. Sorry about that light there. There we go. Elite-4i Zero-Footprint-PC. Paid a whopping $15 for this particular system. Right now it's getting the Linux treatment. It has a 3.2 GHz Pentium 4, 2 GB of memory. Right now it is booting the Linux kernel from the flash drive. Do pop, and just so you know, there are a lot of flashing lights on here. So if you have suffer from epilepsy, seizures, or if you have light sensitivity, I advise you not to watch this video. Just so you know, maybe a lot of cursing and swearing. So for this particular system, the only way you can actually access the innards is by removing these 4 screws here, if I can find the other ones. See, there's one right here. The other one's somewhere over here. See, there's one right here, one right here. I guess I forgot to put the other screw in. Yep, they were right there, right next to the power, right next to the USB port. And right over here. I left this thing up and over, and then you have access to the CD drive, which fortunately does work. It has a Game in here, Rogue Squadron, I believe. Let's go. I need to find the actual game itself on the compact disc because, well, so I can get it. And there was something in here at one point in time, or it was just a piece of plastic that's covering it. So it had like options on there, like you have like the memory card reader, floppy drive. So CyberNet was actually built these all-in-one computers back in the earliest 1990s. There was a 486 variant of this back in the 1990s, and I'm trying to eject the CD here. It's not letting me eject the CD for some reason. Let's go ahead and right-click on this icon here. Eject. There we go. I'm onto the CD this time. There you go. Rogue Squadron 3D, which came out, I'd say, around the 1990s. Let's see here. It doesn't say on there what year. I guess this is around 1998. I think I have a copy of this game, but never seen it before. Let's see, the disc is actually pristine, so it actually doesn't look too bad. So I got this for $15 at a thrift store, a community thrift store. The CD drive opens and closes by pushing a button. It looks like the laptop style CD drive, which of course in this case it is. The system has, like I said, has a 3.2 gigahertz Pentium 4 processor in there, 2 gigabytes of memory. It has the Intel graphics. Ugh, I hate Intel graphics cards. Right now I'm installing Linux Mint 19.1 on here, 32-bit operating system. Let's go ahead and check and see if there's a program on here that allows me to check the system specifications. Probably not. Let's see, there's system monitor, G-party, this chime shift. Yeah, that's not listed on here, so it's not even installed on here yet. But other than that, the system is actually not bad. Cosmetically speaking, keys that work on there, right next to the CyberNet logo. I know I can see it, right? Let me get a flashlight so you can see better. Okay, so right next to that CyberNet logo, there's a little bit of missing chunks of plastic there. The rest of it actually doesn't look too terrible until you go over here, right where the floppy drive resides, like right underneath this numeric keypad. There was rest of that. There's a big crack right there. Alright, from here all the way down to there. I gotta fix it. See, there's a couple of scuffs and scrapes on the, actually don't see anything on there. So, here's a bit of cleaning. It's got integrated speakers. It has AC97 audio, which I detest. It doesn't have a built-in modem. Now, I'd like to use this thing as a modem. I'm sorry, like a dial-up server, as it has more memory than the laptop that I have installed on there. Let's see. No, I do not want to do amount SDB because that is the flash drive. It has 6 USB ports on here in the back. You got 2 next to the LAN port. You also have the LAN port, serial port, VGA connector. Over here, I think just a roam spot. Then you have the PS2 mouse center. There's the point of sales one, 2 USB ports right there. The power connection, which is kind of obscure, but it actually works. And then you also have the USB ports right underneath the CD drive here. Now I think for this particular system, you either have to choose between either the CD drive or the PCI PCI. There is a PCI expansion slot right here that is above both the IDE and the VGA and serial port. They can hook up like either a DVI expansion, a second COM port, parallel port, PCI card, the whole shebang. This keyboard actually does feel real nice. I don't even know if it's like a cherry style or what, but there's probably more of a history of it. A fellow YouTuber VS Life also has a system like this in particular, but it's more of a Pentium MMX if my memory serves me right. So let's go ahead and remove the partition on here and then create a newer one. Let's see, 800, I can't read that number. 80026. Let's go ahead and launch calculator and do some mathematical equations. Let's see, 80026 minus 4096. 75930. Okay, that'll be plain enough for that. 75930. Nope, forgot to select the mount type. There you go. And then, if you have a system that has, the system has 2 gigabytes, but one thing they need to do for Linux is you need to do swap partition. If you have a solid state drive, do not do that, please, because it'll make the system run more lean. It'll make the solid state drive lose its life. Let's go ahead and select. I'm not in New York, I'm in the Detroit metro area. If I can get this thing using my mouse on here. 4i PC. Choose it automatically. And right now it is currently installing the operating system from the flash drive because this thing has a CD drive installed, and I'm too lazy to figure out like where I can find a DVD drive for this particular system. It goes to show you that even for $15, this was actually the best bargain, at best price I've paid for this particular thing. I've seen these things go for sale for like somewhere between $60 and $100, like $200 on eBay easily. And those things don't even have that much memory. And quite frankly, this one right here, this is a beast. Can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment.